Need tips for using your Amazon Alexa? Join Lucy on All About Lady A on the second Thursday of the month for simple tricks to get the most out of your A-Lady device. Listen on the Unmute Presents podcast feed. See you there. Oh yeah, did I mention? You can also check out unmute.show for all past episodes and to get more information about what we've got going on.
Hey all, Marty here, and today I'm going to show you how to move email messages in iPhone Mail to other mailboxes. So we're going to move messages from your inbox to other mailboxes, not the trash. So what you're going to want to do is open up Mail and then go to the list of people that have sent you email, pick any message, open it up so that you're in the body of that message. Then at the bottom, you're going to see a button that says Move. You open that, and then you're going to be presented with options of mailboxes that are in Mail that you can move messages to. There'll be some stock ones that you'll see there, and then you can create your own. So let's talk about creating your own just for 1 second. If you want to create a new mailbox, you would go back to the list of all the mailboxes that you currently have. So you're going to be looking at inbox, drafts, sent. You'll see all of those. While you're in that area, the list of folders, you're going to go to the top right side and you're going to hit Edit. Once you hit Edit, you're going to then go all the way down to the bottom and you'll see something that says Create New Mailbox. Click on that, and then you will get a box that pops up that will allow you to name the message. You can name it whatever you want. So if you're working on a project, you can name it that. If you are doing bills, you can name it bills. If you're a recipe collector, you can name it recipes. You can name it anything you want. So once that's all done, then when you go back to the inbox and then you go down to move, and then you can move your message to whatever folder you want. And it is simply that easy. So there you go. That's moving email messages from the inbox to other folders.
So in this demonstration of macOS tools, I'm going to show you how to quickly copy a tracking number and add it to the Parcel app on macOS.
Mail.
So I'm going to start on an email message that I have that has given me a tracking
Space.
number.
Here is the USPS tracking number. Space. 9405.
I'm going to select this tracking number, and then I'm going to press and hold Command Space.
LaunchBar. System dialog.
Now I'm going to press Tab.
Send to card hop service. Add to Parcel service.
And I'm going to down arrow to add to Parcel because I use that service quite a bit. So it's kind of remembering it. Card hop happened to be the last thing I used. So I just quickly down arrowed, or I could have typed PAR to get to Parcel and use the Parcel service. In this instance, I'm using the service because that's what it's for, and it guarantees that the information will be handled properly.
Parcel. Required. Window.
I tap return. All right. It has the tracking number in the field.
Carrier. USPS. Description. Optional edit text. Blank.
And I'm just going to type in a quick description, which is...
This item has a help tag. Returned. Paste. Quiet. Plus. Open.
And I'm going to hit return.
Parcel window. Toolbar.
And I have added that to Parcel.
Hey everyone, I'm here with an Android tip. I just learned something new today, and I can't believe I didn't know this. I use an Android phone for my daily driver, and I've done this for about the last 2.5 years because I really wanted to learn it. I'm still an Apple fangirl through and through. That's okay, Apple. You're okay. But Android and Malcolm here, my voice that I'm using on the screen reader, help me out every day. So what I'm going to show you is a way to program your side button, which I had no idea that you could program the side button by double pressing it so that you could either open an app or activate something. So we're going to go into the advanced features.
Advanced features, labs, side button, 20 of 28.
And we'll double tap that.
Advanced features, navigate up, button, out of list.
Now we want the 6th thing in the list here, so I'll just scroll through here so you can hear what's available to you.
Advanced features, search settings, Bixby, 1 of 14. Smart suggestions, 2 of 14. Smart suggestions, switch, off. Labs, 3 of 14. Multi-window, 4 of 14. Flex mode panel, 5 of 14. Side button, 6 of 14.
And this is what we want. We'll double tap.
Side button, navigate up, button, out of list.
There are lots of choices in here.
Side button. Double press, switch, on, 1 of 7, in list, 7 items.
So you hear that is switched on. So if I double press the side button, it will do something.
Radio button, not selected, quick launch camera, 2 of 7.
That is what used to be selected. And because I don't take a lot of pictures, I do take some, but I'm more inclined to take them with my iPhone because then they go into iCloud.
Radio button, selected, open app, Error Explorer, 3 of 7.
There's what we want. Selected, radio button, open app. And so when I had that choice, it was not selected, of course. And so when I double tapped it, it opened up a list of all my apps. It's so cool. So now I can choose the app that I want to open when I double press the side button. And it's very responsive. I'll show you. So you do have to double press the side button quickly or else your screen will turn off.
Error Explorer, Access AI, tab 2 of 4, button, out of pager. Error Explorer, location service activate.
Very, very responsive. I love it because this is the app I'm most frequently going to open. And I am very excited that I have discovered that I can program that side button with a double press to open one of my favorite apps.
Attention listeners, mark your calendars for Colorado Gives Day on December 10th. Support AfterSight and give to the causes you care about. Go to coloradogivesday.org/organizations/AfterSight between now and December 10th to make your donation.